Hi, I've just got the Zero demo file open and I'm going to show you how to record those tricky invoices from customs agents when you're paying GST to customs, etc. So I've added this transaction into our bank reconciliation in the demo file, and we just want to see how to deal with things. So here's the actual customs invoice here. I've put some notes on the with arrows and stuff. Essentially, we've got $1,700 worth of international freight that's been charged. $1,423 is New Zealand customs GST, so that's actually 100% GST paid to customs. And then there's the charges from, these are inside New Zealand, these charges, so there's normal GST on it. So I've got normal GST there. So essentially in this invoice is $129.75 GST on these transactions, and there's $1,423 of GST that you paid direct to customs, and that GST is based on the value of the goods that you're importing. So what we need to do is we need to click on add details here, because we've got to break it down into a few lines. Okay. So the first line, we'll put in the GST paid to customs. And that is 1,423.35. So the account it's going to is GST. The tax rate, we're picking up GST on imports. And then we'll deal with the international freight. Freight overseas, I've got an account here, freight overseas, and you'll see there's no GST on it. And then I'll put customs and freight charges NZ. Oh, I see I've got that wrong. The GST content, you see the GST content is supposed to be 129.75. That's because these items here are exclusive of GST. So what we'll do is we'll change this to exclusive, and oh, it's corrected that all by itself. There you go. So this is total of 4,118.10, and which matches up there with the actual payment. And you'll see that we've got 129.75, which matches with the GST invoice, and then we've got $1,423.35, which is going straight to the GST account for GST on imports. So I'll save that transaction and OK that, and then I'll show you how it's going to look in the GST reports. So we go reports, GST return, and we'll look at the period so far. So if we scroll down, you'll see that we've got that. See GST on imports here, $1,423.35 is showing in there. If I look at the audit report, down here we've got, well, that's the gross, the actual New Zealand charges for handling and stuff like that, and the GST paid to customs. Yeah, there's the 100% GST there, and you'll see there's no GST on the overseas freight.